took her parasailing at 95. We would have probably never done it if it had been her asking for us.
David Quirk has been a resident at Penny Farms retirement community for a little over 8 years now. Quirk grew up in Wisconsin and then went to the Naval Academy in 1962, where he spent 31 years working on nuclear-powered submarines. One thing that Quirk remembers is when women started to be in the military. Quirk says that back then, women in the military were seen as a threat if they were superior to men. But for him, it wasn't a problem.
And so I had the first woman assistant supply corps officer, the first woman this and that, because they just came, and I helped select the first group of women that went to the Naval Academy. And I'm telling you, they were top notch.
But of all his military accomplishments, Quirk says that the day he met his wife, Florence, was the most memorable.
Probably one of the best days of my life was when I met my wife. And we got married. Now we've been together for 48 years, and we have 2 kids.
Quirk retired from the military in 1993 and then went directly back into civil service, which allowed him and his family to spend more time together and travel. And after many years, it was time for him to retire, so Quirk let his wife decide where to go.
And I said, you pick the place for retirement. I don't care. I'll go wherever. I knew we'd come here because she's an only child and her mom's here. And it's been great ever since.
But retirement doesn't stop Quirk from serving. At Penny Farms, he serves on the board of directors, helps residents apply for military benefits, and has even received the Clay County Volunteer of the Year award. And Quirk does it all because he cares.
I usually describe it as we're a family of 500 brothers and sisters, and we all take care of each other, and we have different strengths. I like to do the number things, but don't ask me to go out and fix the yard or plant things, because I'm not a yard boy. But everybody has different talents, and we share those here, and that's what makes this place so unique.
Laura Peevler, WUFT News.